just if it's standing there, Brayden.
I know.
Is it going to move? It better not fly towards me or I'm going to freak out.
Fill one bottle. It says
Dude, it just moved its head.
hold up.
It's moving.
Hello, birdie.
Probably a bird that can't fly.
It's scared of you.
Maybe it's adapted to humans.
Go get it. Get it.
Get that
No,
white
it's looking
thing
like
and then
red.
put it under.
Everywhere I go, it always looks right at me.
It likes you. Well, it probably is trying to kill you. Just kidding.
Why the heck does it not fly away?
It's getting ready.
Get
to
that
fly.
white thing.
No, don't trap it.
Why?
That's mean.
I'm kidding. Don't trap it.
No, don't touch it. It's going to fly towards me. Oh my god. Anthony, we didn't almost take the bird. It's staying there. It followed us off.
He's trapping it. It's waiting for me.